Recently, America's adversaries have been busy unveiling new drones that bear an uncanny resemblance to the U.S. military's MQ-9 Reaper. Iran's latest little birdie in the sky, the Mohajer-10, can fly over 1,200 miles, stay airborne for 24 hours, and carry a bomb payload of over 650 pounds. It's like the drone equivalent of a marathon-running, weightlifting insomniac. Meanwhile, North Korea has also unveiled a Reaper-style drone. It seems the trend of copying homework has moved from classrooms to international military tech. But hey, they say imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, right? While these countries are busy playing catch the drone, China has been working on a different game altogether. It's been quietly working to win over Middle Eastern countries. But it seems they've hit a snag with the recent Israel-Hamas conflict. Their reluctance to condemn Hamas and criticism of Israel's response raised a few eyebrows. It's like showing up to a dinner party and criticizing the host's cooking. Not the best strategy if you're looking for an invite back. Now, let's shift our focus from drones to something that can be just as complicated and daunting: taxes. The Internal Revenue Service, or as I like to call it, the inevitable revenue snatchers, made significant improvements in taxpayer services during the 2024 tax filing season. They answered over 1 million more phone calls and assisted over 170,000 more people in person. It's like they suddenly discovered the magic of customer service. They even experienced 75 million more visits to irs.gov. Now, I don't know about you, but a visit to the IRS website isn't exactly my idea of a fun online browsing session. But hey, to each their own. Over $200 billion in refunds were issued, with an average refund of $3,011. It's like a nationwide game of who's got the biggest refund. And the best part, the game is rigged in favor of the House. Now, before we wrap up, here's a call to action that's as crucial as filing your taxes on time. If you enjoyed this video, don't just hover around. Dive in and hit that like button. And if you want to stay updated on all things drones and taxes, subscribe to our channel. It's more fun than a surprise tax audit, we promise. Remember, in the world of drones and taxes, it's always better to be the pilot than the paycheck. Until next time, keep your head in the clouds, but your income grounded.